Thinking about getting the Universal Studios Season Pass? Hi, welcome to Wonder Vibes Only. My name is Afie and I'm back at Universal Studios Singapore today because I'm finally getting my Season Pass. In this video, I'll break down how it works, the price, and all the perks. Plus, I even got to meet someone who made my day. So come hang out with me at Universal Studios Singapore and let's wander together. Okay, I feel like meeting some dinosaurs, so let's go to the Lost World. I'm in New York. I forgot what it's like here. It's been ages since I just walk around. So let me walk you through the process of getting a season pass. You can buy it on Universal Studios Singapore's website and pick a date for your first visit. They will send a QR code to your email which you will use to enter the park. Less than an hour later, you receive another email asking for your details and a photo. I actually submitted mine the next day and my digital season pass was ready in 5 minutes. So the season pass is $160 and I think it's worth it if you're planning to come a few times. You get unlimited entries for 6 months, you get priority entry into the park, you get 10% discounts on most food spots and retail stores here. And you also get discounts for events like Halloween Horror Nights. And if you're paying with MasterCard like I did, you also get extra vouchers for food and shopping. Oh yeah, and you also get discounts if you want to buy additional USS tickets for your friends and family. By the way, everything is digital now, so there's no physical copy of your season pass, unfortunately. So USS brought back their season pass as part of the Singapore's SG60 National Day celebrations. I'm not sure what's going to happen to this batch of season passes once they expire. I hope USS will bring back their annual passes. But yeah, what do you think? Will they do that? Let me know in the comments.
Jurassic World. My name is Alex and I'm the head raptor trainer here at the park. Now, can anyone tell me who this incredible velociraptor specimen is?
Blue.
That's right, she's Blue. And isn't she a beauty? Now, Blue is actually the oldest of the 4 velociraptors we have here in the park. She is the beta of the group, which makes me the Alpha, that's right. Now, Blue is a highly intelligent creature and has shown huge developments in her ability to carry out specific commands. For example, Blue, eyes on me. Good girl. Now follow. Follow. That's right. Clever girl. Now hold. Oh. Hey. Give her a moment. And something new I've learned today is the little plush toys that they have in the shop are very accurate because the blue stripe also starts from her eye. That's a really cool detail that I never realized. So back to the blue stripe. Okay. Here in Jurassic World, our dinosaurs are created with DNA that's over 65 million years old.
So this is where Hiccup and Astrid do their meet and greets. It's just inside this shop right here. Let's look at some How to Train Your Dragon merch while we wait for Hiccup and Astrid. Wow. We have some t-shirts here and they is $40 and we have headbands of Night Fury and Light Fury and I think this is 25 if I remember. Yep, 25. We have some caps and neck pillows. Oh, this is cool. This is a baseball jersey and it is $89. Let me see the back. Oh wow, that's cute. That's cool. They even have How to Train Your Dragon lounge fly bags.
So the killer will be over here. Here you go, ma'am. A sticker for you.
Oh, thank you so much. But I'm alone right now.
Oh, it's okay. Happy birthday to you.
Manifest.
Alright, there you are. Thank you for looking after me. I've been looking for
I'm good. How's everything? Where's Astrid?
Well, she's off trying to find some fish for us, you see.
Okay.
Probably found some chickens along the way. She wants to try and beat me the dragon race. I won't let her win this time,
Yeah.
okay? Well, what's your name?
I'm Afie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It's a long way from Burke.
It's a very long
Yeah.
way. We're trying to find some new islands, and we needed a little food break, so we stopped here. This is a beautiful place.
Yeah, I know. I live here.
You do?
Yeah.
Do you happen to know if there's any more dragons?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Maybe you need to bring some more.
Maybe.
And bring the gang. Like I like Tough Nut and Rough Nut.
Oh, so you're a troublemaker as well.
I love the
huh?
twins.
Oh, you gotta stay out of trouble now, okay?
Yeah.
I'll bring you your own very zipper.
Oh,
You can get your very own one.
yeah, okay,
That sound
sure.
fun?
Yeah.
What would you call it? What
Do
name
you have
would give it?
suggestions? I don't know.
Suggestions. We can call it Double Danger. That sound cool?
Yeah.
Well, let's get a lovely picture.
Okay.
Too. Give him a little chin scratch right there. There you go.
It was nice to meet
Lovely to
you.
meet you too. You have a great
Thank
day.
you.
Okay?
Okay, just met Hiccup and he was amazing. This is my first time meeting Hiccup. I love How to Train Your Dragon. And yeah, now we're gonna catch a show. We're gonna catch the last Sesame Street Bollywood show that's gonna happen in a few minutes. So let's go.
If the scene was so good, why would you throw it in the can?
Well, no, Ernie, in the can means they are going to keep it.
Yes. Interesting. So let me get this straight.
Sure.
If I have a can and I want to keep it,
Right.
I can put the can in the can?
Can you two get ready for the next scene?
Can.
Actors. And that's a wrap on Sesame Street Goes Bollywood!
That was terrific!
Ooh, wait till I tell Rubber Ducky.
I can see there's a 20 minutes waiting time for Transformers. Should I go for it? I can just go for single rider actually. Should I? Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in the single riders line. Okay, it's a long way still.
You forgot to remind me about their eyewear?
先让我默默地为他们的安全祈祷。
Okay, thanks. We're at war. Hurry up.
您需要一副护目镜，在您就座之前勿戴上护目镜。
Oh wait, we're here.
饮食、抽烟、摄影等
Okay, I have to
是
go.
不被允许的。
Transformers is still the best ride in USS. Now I have a rush and I'm going home. If you've enjoyed today's video, check out my other Universal Studios videos here on your screen. There'll be tons more Universal Studios Singapore videos coming your way because I have a season pass now. So like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.